This kid is gonna get a whole personality just from me streaming. It's gonna be like, oh yeah, your nickname is Wally. You are a Hufflepuff and you'll be wearing check.
Night Harbinger cheered X2500000. EMV Hype Train. Choo choo. Ook kleiner dan 3 knipogende smiley.
Oh my god. I don't even know what to say. What the fuck? What level is it at? I've never seen this amount. I've never seen anyone get this amount. Nice! What the fuck?
Night Harbinger cheered X70000.
It's more than I make. I don't even earn that at my job. Night. What level are we at? This is insane. This is insane. I'm just gonna press the button. So something is going on. Level 21. Level 23. Level 23 will... Okay, this is the highest that it's ever been and will be forever in the history of evers. Wow! Oh no! Yeah, the points! I forgot about the points! How many times do I need to press this thing? Where did we come from? From 11.
Purple train. Purple train.
Oh my god! Nice!
Night Harbinger cheered X50000. And there's more.
Oh my god, I need to make another print screen because it's all fitting on one.
Purple train. Purple train.